In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Southwest Airlines voucher. We'll be doing this directly in the Southwest Airlines app, and the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. If you already have your voucher ready, this will be even easier because you'll need to enter the voucher details during checkout. Start by opening the Southwest Airlines app on your phone. Once the app loads, go to the login screen and sign in using your username or account number and your password. Then tap Log In. After you're signed in, tap the Book Flight tab at the bottom of the screen, or use the main menu if that's what appears on your device. Next, choose your trip type. You'll usually see options like round trip or one-way. Select the one that matches the flight you want to book. Then enter your departure city, your arrival city, your travel dates, and the number of passengers traveling. Be sure to double-check these details before moving on, since even a small mistake here can affect the flight options you see. After that, decide whether you want prices displayed in dollars or in rapid rewards points. This is important because your voucher will be applied during the payment process, so make sure you're booking in the format you intend to use. Once everything looks correct, tap Search Flights. You'll now see the available flight options. Choose your preferred flight times and fare class. Take a moment here to review what each fare includes, especially if you're comparing flexibility or price. Once you've made your selection, continue and enter the passenger details exactly as needed for the booking. From there, choose seats if seat selection is available in your booking flow, and continue through checkout until you reach the final payment page. This is the key part of the process. On the payment screen, scroll past the standard credit or debit card fields. You're looking for a drop-down or expandable section labeled Flight Credit, LUV Voucher, or Gift Card. Open that section, then select LUV Voucher or gift card if that matches the type you have. After that, enter the 16-digit voucher number from your digital or physical certificate, followed by the 4-digit security code, sometimes called the security PN. Make sure both numbers are entered carefully to avoid errors. Finally, tap Apply. The voucher amount should be deducted from your total ticket cost. Once you see the updated total, you can review everything one last time and continue with the rest of the checkout process as needed. And that's how to redeem a Southwest Airlines voucher in the app.